Hi, this is Cliff Beatty with Bard Manufacturing. This is the Breathe Easy series of videos. Today we're going to talk about the MC controller and how to configure it. If we open the box, inside the controller we have a main board, we have an alarm board, we also have an area for a communications board. The MC series is fused, we have fuse protection. We also have an onboard sensor. This is considered the main sensor, and we also have a backup sensor on the main board. On the front of the MC series controller, you will see lights indicating which stage of cooling operation you're in, which state of heating operation you're in, which unit is lead unit, dehumidification operation, various alarms including power loss, refrigeration alarm, fire smoke, low temp, and high temp 2, and also lead lag controller failure. There's an on-off button, shuts the power off to the controller and the units. Hold in on the button, the unit will power up. We also have a program button. We'll cover all these commands after you go into the programming menu. We also have advanced change save, which is used to save features. We also have a comfort mode button that puts the units into comfort mode, which will condition the area inside the shelter to 72 degrees. There are various menu features inside the MC series controller under program menu. You can see a complete listing of all the features on the outside of the controller. To access these features, press the program key, select the option that you wish to change, in advanced change, save, adjust the setting, then press the save button. We have now successfully changed one of the settings in the controller. Press program again. Now we're back to the main display setting. This concludes the Bard Breathe Easy tour of the MC series controller. For any further instructions, please consult your user's manual.